Greetings YouTubers, welcome back to How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your YouTube channel warning right here, the active community guideline strike. So I have this warning right here, many years now. You get one warning and it stays with you forever. Now a new policy just came out and you can take a short policy training to expire your community guideline warning. So I just saw this today, so let's see what it is all about. Okay, on this page it gives you the reason why your content was removed, and if you take this policy training it will remove the warning after 90 days. And below is supposed to be the content that violated the guidelines, and let's click here to take action. Alright, now on this page you will see that you can either take the training to dismiss the warning, you can appeal the decision, or do nothing. So of course we want to dismiss the warning through taking the training. So let's click on begin review. So click here to read the policy if you want, and then click next. Here's the actual training. Take a policy training right here. It's a short 7-question training. Let's go and do that right here. It takes 15 minutes. So right now I'll go ahead and complete the training. Okay, so I just completed the training. It took less than maybe around 5 minutes or a little bit more, and you may have a different set of questions due to your policy violation. Mine was the harmful or dangerous policy warning, so your questions may be different, but you get unlimited tries and it is pretty easy to do. Highly recommend it if you have a warning. I am quite happy to finally get this warning removed after 90 days though, right here from today's date. Thanks for viewing and happy YouTubing.